Most people think AI is only for big companies, but in 2026, everyday people are using AI to make money right from their bedroom. Today, I'll show you real, practical ways to make instant money using AI. Get ready for smart work, not hard work. This is about AI income for normal people. No coding, no degree required. Just smart work and watching until the end for the fastest method. Forget the need for traditional qualifications. These methods require smart work using modern AI tools to succeed. First, let's have a reality check. AI will not give you free money with just one click. It's a tool, not a magic lamp. However, I can help you complete work 10 times faster than ever before, and that incredible efficiency is where the money is made. Think of AI as your worker. You are the boss who manages the process and sells the high-speed service to clients. Method 1. AI video editing for short videos like Reels. Use AI to write scripts and generate visuals, then edit quickly in tools like CapCut or DaVinci, selling each reel for significant profit. Method 2 is AI content writing. Businesses constantly need blogs and product descriptions. You use tools like ChatGPT, refine the output, and deliver high-quality content without any grammar tension. Method 3. AI thumbnails and posters. Generate eye-catching images with AI, quickly design them in Canva, add bold text, and sell each thumbnail for an easy income. Method 4. The high money method. AI automation. Small businesses need auto replies and WhatsApp bots. Use simple tools to automate their work and charge a premium for the setup. Method 5. Sell digital products with AI. Create once and sell many times with prompt packs, templates, or scripts. Upload them and earn income again and again. Now let's talk about the best strategy and the right mindset to maximize your AI income. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one service, video, design, writing, or automation, and use AI to become faster and better than everyone else. While some people fear that AI will steal jobs, smart people are saying, I will use AI to do jobs faster. Remember, skill plus AI equals income. Ready to get started? Here is your 4-day action plan to launch your AI income stream. Day 1, choose your service. Day 2, create 3 sample works. Day 3, make a Fiverr or Instagram page. Day 4, start DMing clients. Your first client could come in just 3 to 7 days. If you want a full AI income plan, including services, scripts, and pricing, just comment AI money. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.